Every dollar you pay a vendor should match what actually arrived. In this quick tour, we'll show you how the delivery dashboard reads your invoices, checks them against Metrc, and catches duplicates, so you always pay the right amount automatically. This is your delivery dashboard. Every order from every vendor lives here, from the moment it's created all the way through to the day it's paid. An order gets here one of two ways. The first, you click Create Delivery. Just drop in the vendor's invoice. Shelf IQ, our AI, reads it and fills in the vendor, the line items, and the amount for you. No manual data entry. Then, one choice that matters. Is this order wholesale, you're buying it outright, or consignment, where you only pay as it sells? Same vendor, your call, on every single order. The second way is even easier. You forward the invoice to your ShelfSpace email address, and Shelf IQ builds the delivery for you automatically. Now open a delivery. Everyone is tied to its Metrc transport manifest, the state's official record of exactly what shipped. And here's where ShelfSpace earns its keep. It checks every line of the invoice against the packages Metrc says actually arrived, automatically. When they all match, you see this. Reconciles with Metrc. You clear to pay, and you never overpay for product that didn't show up. ShelfSpace also watches your back on double billing. It automatically catches duplicate invoices before a dime goes out. Here, it's already protected this shop from paying twice. When it flags a new one, just click Review. Shelf IQ compares both deliveries, works out which one is the real order, and recommends the fix. Keep the original and remove the duplicate. You approve it in one click. The duplicate is removed, the alert clears itself, and you're protected from paying that invoice twice. And every order flows through clear stages: incoming, received, ready for payment, and completed. So you always know exactly where each one stands. That's the delivery dashboard. It reads your invoices, checks them against Metrc, catches duplicates, and makes sure every vendor is paid exactly what they're owed, automatically.